Which room is best for sleeping? Time to think. 3, 2, 1. It's the bedroom! Wonderful! Great thinking! Which object helps you water flowers? Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. Amazing! You are a super gardener! Which object keeps food cold? Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. The answer is refrigerator! Fantastic! You're doing great! Which shape rolls the easiest? Let's think together. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is circle! Excellent! You're super smart! Supplies. Think for a moment. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is backpack! You're a learning superstar! See you in the next quiz! Which object a locked door? Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is key! Fantastic! You're amazing!